there's a bad news, guys, about a bird that can't fly. So my dad take care of the bird until it's healed. So the birds can fly. My dad found it on my dad's garage, and now the bird is on the third floor of my house. So let's see the bird. The bird now is in a cage that my dad washed before, and this is the bird that I mentioned it. Okay, I think you cannot see it. But if we take a closer look, we can see it. Look, he is a cute bird. Okay, this is all for this video. Click like and subscribe if you like the video. Bye bye.